Hi, DIY Dad here with another video. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Forte drill and driver kit along with some titanium bits, and we also have a utility light. Today we're going to be featuring our Forte electric drill, part number 67825 at heartlandamerica.com. It has adjustable clutch for torque, variable speeds. There's a little switch here for going forward or reverse. The middle position obviously is for a lock. It also comes with a really nice 20-volt lithium battery for a lot of strength for the motor. It has an adjustable clutch, which is really nice also. And of course, a keyless chuck, so you don't have to find any tools to put the bits in. We're going to be using the Grip 99 titanium drill bit set. We're going to just put this into the keyless chuck. It's really easy. See how easy it goes through. When you hear that clicking sound, it means that the clutch is kicking in, so you can just turn to a higher number if you'd like. Everything you'll need for drill bits is right here. The Grip 99 piece titanium drill bit set, part number 56411. It comes from 1/16 of an inch to 3/8 inch size drill bits. It's a high-speed titanium coated bits. They have molded hard storage case which is really nice. Usually you don't get this nice of a case with your bits. You have to buy your case separately. You can use these on anything from sheetrock to wood, plastic, wide variety of things that will meet your needs for your projects, DIY projects around your house. Okay, for your projects, if you need extra light, you could be using the Bright Living 67800 part number 250 luminant light. Look at how bright that thing is. It has a handle on it for holding. And one of the best features I love on this is, look, it has a magnet there. Look at how strong that magnet is. If you have additional needs for drilling and other features, you can use your rotary tool. And here's a really nice 361 pack grip rotary tool kit. This thing is awesome. There's a wide variety from grinding to cleaning, polishing, wide variety for those nice small jobs that you have just a little bit of room for. Today we looked at the drill and some bits and the light, utility light. I'm sure you'll agree that they're a great product at a great price. You can get these at www.heartlandamerica.com.